statement about the Arunachal shares boundary with Tibet.
No, regarding this, if you have something different, religious things, that you may
Only religious things. Okay, how do you feel that Dalai Lama is here and maybe this is his last visit, but also it will be next time he will visit again in Arunachal. So how do you feel?
Yeah, I feel very excited, and you all can see, there were lots of people gathered here to welcome him and to listen to his preachings. And in fact, this was his 6th visit to Tawang, and I hope that in future also he will be visiting more of this kind. And today in public, I have requested His Holiness that since it was long pending demand of public to initiate a Kala Chakra Puja here in Tawang in coming days. So hopefully, in reply in His Holiness' speech, he has mentioned that definitely he will keep that in mind and he will convey it later.
So in today's press conference, there was a question from the senior journalist of Arunachal that there are some camps, maybe 4 camps, where the Tibetans are there and they are facing some forms of drugs and alcohol. So
You mean in Arunachal here?
yeah, in Arunachal.
Okay.
So what do you think you will do for them?
At the moment, I don't have any kind of reports in the government. So anyway, let me find it out if there is any kinds of that issues are lying with that. Then definitely I'll look into the matter. You mean to say in refugee camps?
Refugee camps.
Okay. That I didn't know, in fact. Yeah.
Unemployment as well.
Yeah, that I didn't know, in fact. So let us have it.
China had a month ago given a proposal of swapping Tawang with parts of Exchequer. What do you say about that?
Regarding this thing, I think you should go and ask the Ministry of External Affairs. That's not my subject.
So you've already invited the Dalai Lama again?
Yes.
For Kala
Kala
Chakra?
Chakra.
Kala Chakra,
Could
yes.
you tell us a little more about that? Is it going to happen? We'd love to come back.
As of now, I won't give you the confirmation regarding the Kala Chakra initiation here in Tawang, but I have conveyed to His Holiness the request of the public in general. So in reply to my request, His Holiness has conveyed that he will definitely keep that thing in mind and convey it to us later.
Don't forget to invite us, sir. But finally, and why did you apologize so much for what? The roads? Please put your mic down a bit. The road. You said that you were very sorry that there were many difficulties for the Dalai Lama.
Since
roads and all
I am
that.
a Buddhist and people, especially in Arunachal, Tawang and West Khmer is dominated by Buddhists, and we treat Dalai Lama like equivalent to God. So that's why taking a decision coming all the way by road from Guwahati to Tawang, and you all have traveled, I believe, by road. So roads at this moment is not in a very good condition. So regarding that thing, I have I apologize.
So next time he comes,
Yeah,
roads will be
definitely
better?
yes, road will be very much better, and connectivity will be much more improved in that way.
Okay, sir. And so finally, sir, I was going to ask you about what are you doing to upgrade facilities in Tawang? There's no power in Tawang most of the time in the hotels that we are staying in.
Yeah, exactly. Power shortage, it has been always a problem here, especially in winters, because at the moment we don't have this grid connection. And this time Government of India has been so kind that Government of India has already sanctioned one grid connection from the, that last point where the grid is available, from Kupi to Tawang. So they have already sanctioned, and in coming days I think there won't be any such
When
kind
will
of...
you operationalize, sir, this grid connection?
It will take time, I think at least a year.
Okay.
So people of Tawang want the Dalai Lama, when the time comes, to reincarnate here in Tawang. What do you feel?
Definitely, every Buddhist people, they always feel this kind of thing. But let's don't talk about that point, that thing as of now, because his health is so good. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Okay.